Hello and welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Walsey. Today we are going to learn how to draw a serene scene featuring a beautiful willow tree and a bench. We will start by sketching the outline of the willow tree. Begin with the trunk using light, uneven lines to give it a natural textured look. The trunk should be slightly curved to the left, giving the tree a relaxed and flowing appearance. Next, let's draw the branches. Willow branches are long and drooping, so make sure your lines extend downward in a graceful manner. You can make the branches intertwine and overlap to create a more intricate and realistic look. Now we will move on to the leaves. Willow leaves are narrow and hang down from the branches. Use short, quick strokes to draw clusters of leaves along the branches, letting some overlap and creating a dense, full appearance. With the tree complete, let's draw the bench. Position it slightly to the right of the tree trunk. Start with the horizontal line for the seat and add two vertical lines for the legs on each end. Then connect these with another horizontal line for the bench support. Draw some texture to the bench by drawing wood grain lines along the seats and legs. Next, we will add details to the background. Draw a gentle horizon line in the distance and add a few hills and mountains to create depth. You can also sketch in some grass or plants at the base of the tree and around the bench for added realism. Finally, let's add shading to give the drawing dimension. Shade the underside of the branches and leaves. And there you have it, a peaceful scene with a willow tree and bench. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials and happy sketching. Until next time, keep watching, keep creating and keep exploring. Happy drawing.